Jai Shri Ram. The words to learn: corollary. Corollary means a direct result of something. If you say that so and so is a corollary of A, that means that is a direct result of A. Non sequitur is the opposite. Non sequitur is a Latin phrase which means something that logically does not follow. So, in many religions, you will find they tell you silly things which are non sequiturs. That means the final conclusion is a total non sequitur. It does not logically follow. For example, if God is believed to be omniscient, which means God knows everything, then how is it that God did not know that so and so would be doing something like this, and then God comes onto the scene and starts criticizing and cursing and punishing that person for doing what he did? If God was omniscient, he should have already known that such a thing would have happened. So, this God getting angry and then cursing is stupid. Only a stupid God would do that. It would indicate that he is actually not omniscient, because had he been omniscient, he would have cursed and got angry, because you would not get angry and curse if you already know what's going to happen, isn't it? So that's a non sequitur. I just gave you an example so that you can use this phrase next time when you are in any debate. When you find that somebody is indulging in whataboutery. Whataboutery simply means whataboutery, WHATBOUTERY. Whataboutery simply means asking what about this, what about this, and that, and going away from the topic and not answering the question that they have been asked, and trying to derail the conversation, mislead the listeners, and take them into a completely different discussion altogether, and thereby avoid having to answer the question. That is whataboutery. This is, many people do that. So, when somebody indulges in whataboutery in any discussion, you can use this phrase to hit them. Hey, that's a non sequitur. And then if they don't know, well and good, they'll be scared with your vocabulary. And if they know, then they will understand that you are a good debater. Collateral consequences. Collateral is a word which has two meanings now. Collateral is the property that you mortgage with a bank when you take a loan, which is a surety against the bank, against the proper loan that you have taken, and the bank can sell it off if you don't pay. That is, if you default, the bank can do what is called foreclosure of the loan account. That means the bank can sell off the property that you have deposited as a surety or a security against the loan taken. Such a mortgaged property, MORT, the T is silent, mortgaged property is called a collateral. Now, the word collateral also means unintended damage. In war, innocent people die. That's called collateral damage or collateral consequences. Okay. So, collateral consequences are offshoots basically. Spin off is a word with a positive meaning. That means a positive byproduct. End product which is positive. Upshot simply means after effect. A fallout is a negative thing, negative effect, or a dangerous waste, nuclear reaction. Aftermath, repercussion, ramification. All these words also mean result, consequence. Aftermath is a word with a negative connotation. Repercussions also negative. Repercussions means final indirect negative consequences. Final indirect negative consequences of an action. Ramification is final indirect consequences, not necessarily negative. It is a neutral word. Jai Shri Ram.